Hi folks, this is your MWIS Fleeting View taking you into the weekend. Low pressure is going to remain nearby through the days ahead, so we'd expect some more rain and showers in the forecast. This is Friday's chart, and we have some areas of patchy rain and drizzle, a loosely defined cold front just pushing its way eastwards through the morning. That may just help to lift the cloud base somewhat as we go into the middle of the day, particularly inland areas, but higher summits may still stick with cloud, capping them for much of the daytime. Western coastal areas, that low cloud will shroud slopes down to lower or some middle elevations at times, so that will remain rather murky much of the day near to the west coast. Strongest breeze across western mountains, quite gusty around the west coast of Scotland where it will feel decidedly cool. Bit of brightness maybe toward the north and east of the Highlands. That's your best chance for some cloud breaks to higher tops. Some fronts out toward the west will circulate around that low as we go into Friday evening. This is around 6 p.m, 7 p.m. as we go onwards, and just some rain turning up a bit more persistently then as we go into the late evening and night towards western Scotland. I'll take the story on here in 3-hour time steps as we go toward dawn on Saturday, so that's 6 a.m. Saturday morning. Some rain spilling eastwards across much of the Highlands, patchy and light further toward the east. May just give a brief window of some drier conditions once that breaks up and fades for a time in the morning, but some further areas of rain and showers spilling in to western Scotland very quickly, and that will tend to fill in more frequently across many western hills of Britain as we go through the daytime. So expect rain on and off, and perhaps more on than off across those western coastal areas during the day on Saturday. Eastern areas getting away with some brighter spells, but a few heavier showers here possible through the afternoon on Saturday. Brisk winds from central southern Scotland southwards, touching gale force on the high tops, somewhat lighter winds further toward the north of Scotland. Again, the lowest of the cloud focused around those western coastal areas with that onshore wind from the southwest, shrouding the hills at times to quite low elevations where there's rain around. Best of the cloud breaks and higher bases again towards more eastern regions, toward the Cairngorms areas to the northeast, faring the best of all. Detail is sketchy into Sunday, but broadly low pressure is still in charge. There is uncertainty about this sort of daisy chain of fronts trailing across England and Wales. That could see some heavier and more persistent rain set in for periods, but the exact timing and position of this open to quite a bit of question at this time. Broadly, it's a day where there's rain on and off, and some drizzle and some showers, some heavier bursts, a real mixture of the day. Again, expect that to be some rain around. Lighter winds towards northern Scotland, breezier further south, and it may well be rather windy, with the risk of touching gale force across the high tops in Wales, possibly even northern England. So keep an eye on those forecasts. All your local information for 3 days ahead can be found on our website. That is your Fleeting View. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.